You guys have heard of 2 cycles and you guys have heard of 4 cycles, but have you ever heard of an 8-cycle engine? This is a 1900s to 1910 Aeromotor 8-cycle hit and miss gas engine. In today's video, we're going to see if we can get it running, do some work to it, and explain to you guys how it works. Stick around to see how things go, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. I picked this engine up last fall at a swap meet for a pretty good price, and I figured it'd make a pretty nice video, as well as I've always kind of wanted to mess with one. Overall, this engine is in need of repair and has some issues, and somebody has repainted it. Comes with a homemade 2-wheeled cart and every component I need to make it run. So in today's video, we'll see if we can do just that. I'm going to take it apart, clean it up, put it back together, and see how well it runs in the end. The first issue to tackle is when you turn it over, you can hear there's a compression leak coming out of the igniter and valve body. So that's what we're going to tackle first. If you have any questions or any information on this engine, feel free to leave a comment down below. They greatly help the channel and I respond to all of them, and I greatly appreciate it. There's one part on this engine missing that I had to find separately. That is the final drive pump jack gear. I ended up picking a parts engine up last fall as well, and it has the gear that I need, so let's get it apart. Hope that didn't break. After getting it all back together and of thinking I was done with it, I decided after looking at it that I didn't really like the look of the repainted gear with the original gear, so I went off to take off that, and I decided to do a bunch of other work to it while I had it all apart. Now I got the engine all the way back together and I've got it running really good. I think it's time for me to explain exactly how an 8-cycle engine works. This engine was originally designed to pump wells when there's no wind for an air motor windmill to pump water with. They wanted it to be cheap, simple to operate, and low maintenance. One of the ways they did this is they decided to make it air-cooled, but in most air-cooleds you'd need a fan for cooling and some kind of shrouding to keep it on the cylinder to help keep it cool. The way they worked around this on this engine is they designed it in a way that it has 2 extra exhaust cycles to allow more cold air in the cylinder and to be blown out, allowing it to take more heat out of it without any kind of extra moving components. That's basically all the 8-cycle is for, and it also kind of doubles down as an extra bit of reduction for the final drive, as your cam gear is your secondary gear and gear reduction for the water pump. That's enough of me talking, though. I'm going to let you guys enjoy some of the sounds of this engine, as it's a wonderful sounding little engine, and then I'll get back to you in a little bit. Please enjoy. One of the benefits of being an 8-cycle for us nowadays is it allows it to coast for a nice, smooth, long period. As you can see here, the cam lobe is way longer than most engines are, and that allows it to have a lot less mechanical noise than most engines do. I really like the sound of one of these when it's properly tuned up and slowed down, and I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I do. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, leave a like down below. If you didn't, I don't think you would have made it this far. If you have anything you want to ask, please leave a comment down below. They greatly help the channel. Or if you have any information on this engine, also leave a comment down below. I respond to all of them with time, and I really appreciate all of them. With that being said, glad you guys sticked around. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.